Hey guys, welcome to Easy Paintings by Ishita, where I upload 4 tutorials a week. Well, you must have noticed I haven't uploaded any videos since 3 weeks because I am in between moving from US to India, and when I have finally arrived in India, I have to create my corner to start painting again. So in the meanwhile, as the gap is increasing, I'm creating this beautiful watercolor painting for you all today so that we can begin another journey of watercolor, moving from acrylics that I used to do before. So let's get started. Today I have taken my sketchbook, which is a specialized watercolor sketchbook, my colors, and I will be using a mop brush along with few other flat brushes for this. So for the first step, I have to be wetting the entire paper by squeezing the mop brush and just clear water all across the page. Here you have to make sure that you don't over wet the page. It shouldn't be runny water. It has to be just a glossy shine of water onto your page. And then I am taking some orange and I am sprinkling it some water along with the colors. So this has to be in varied shapes. It has to be very loose. It has to be very flowy, because the best part about watercolors is it's very flowy. It doesn't have a perfect form like in acrylics where you have to achieve perfection. So for that, I have taken some water and sprinkled some colors and then just creating a loose shape. And I'll be repeating the same step with another set of color. This time I've taken some pink color, which is dark pink. I'm not naming the colors because I've realized that the names of the colors differ from country to country. So just take any random colors that you like and just carry on creating this painting. So here, if you notice, my flowers, or this is not like a perfect flower as of now, but then I'm trying to give it a 4-petal shape, and that way it should look like a bloomed wildflowers. So just make sure the shapes are like that. And now with yellow, I'm just repeating this step. These are wildflowers, so you could just fill up how much ever you want on this watercolor or on this background. So now I have taken some green. Here I'll be using a couple of different shades of green to create the bottom grasses or the tall grasses. Friends, watercolor dries up pretty fast and you have to move really fast to create this look. And if at all it gets dry before you do it, just take some clear water, wet up the space, and then carry on doing it. And now I'm just making few random strands with the help of a liner brush. And some leaves. Here my paper is now dry. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I will be picking up some more colors by wetting my brush and start to give it a bright pop of color and some shape to the petals of the flowers. So watercolors is basically an art form that we do in layers. So the bottom layer has to be pretty clear and very flowy, just like a blurred illusion, and then we have to build up colors by layering it with second and third layers or multiple layers. So this is my second layer where I am applying colors to give it a shape more like a flower. My apologies friends, my screen is not capturing the entire scenery because my tripod seems to be pretty low. I was running out of space. So hopefully with next videos these all things would be taken care of. So now I have taken a brush again. I have taken some clear water and now I'm blending the edges of the flower. As I said, watercolor needs to be very flowy. There shouldn't be any harsh lines, and that is the reason I'm just trying to blend out the outer corner of all of the flowers so that it gives us a very dreamy illusion of watercolor. Here I have mixed in a little of orange onto the yellow to give it a variation of shading. So our bottom layer was pure cadmium yellow and now the upper layer is a mix of a little bit of orange to it, so as to give the pop of colors. Here you can also use a little of purple for the purple flowers, because normally in wildflowers we do see a purple color flower a lot, but I haven't, but then you can use it. And now with the help of green, I'm just giving it a few leafy shape along with few branches here and there, tall grasses. Just mix and match whatever you like. Here you see the green color I have applied is a lot more, so I will be blending that out by taking some water onto my brush and just rubbing it to erase the harsh lines. And here I'm blending the grasses. And here I'm using variation of green color. So there are about 2 to 3 green color that I'll be using. And later I'm just blurring out the effect to create a more uniform grass look. And now I'm just sprinkling some colors onto my grasses to give it a very beautiful airy effect. So I'm using a little of leftover pinks and yellows, and I've sprinkled that over. You can use even white or any other color you like. So our watercolor simple painting is now ready. Let's remove the masking tape and see how it looks. It's raining here day and night, and these kind of wildflowers are so common around my house. This looks absolutely stunning, colorful, and so lively and happy. So I think this whole week I will be doing flowers. So stay tuned, do subscribe to my channel, and for beginner tutorials, join me almost every day with some of the watercolor paintings. If you like this tutorial, guys, kindly hit the like button, comment under, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Easy Paintings by Ishita. Y'all have a lovely day, guys. Bye-bye.